Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm David.
And we're here from ShirSoulSound, your source for live sound production and education. This will be the first episode in our new video series designed to help educate and demystify live sound for amateurs and professionals alike. If you're anything like us, you don't want to have to spend an arm and a leg to get a high quality professional sound every time.
So today we're going to be checking out 4 entry-level vocal microphones. We'll compare and contrast them by recording short audio examples of speech and song with and without effects. To skip straight to the audio, just click right here.
Whether you're the lead singer in your high school band or a touring professional, this video will help you to better understand vocal microphones and how to choose the right one for you. Be sure to stick around till the end of the video for our personal recommendations. Now let's get started.
Welcome to the ShirSoulSound studio. Now we're going to set up the 4 microphones we'll be looking at today. We'll wire them to our PreSonus mixer and record them into our computer. First, Rob will sing a short bass vocal, then I'll sing a tenor vocal, and then we'll do a spoken dialogue together. You should be able to hear the subtle differences between the 4 mics in this head-to-head microphone shootout.
The 4 mics we're going to be looking at today are the Shure SM58, the EV-ND767A, the Blue Encore 100, and the Shure Beta 58A. Due to the sonic variations between the 4 microphones, we've adjusted the preamp levels on our mixer so that all of the mics are at the same volume. Pay careful attention to the differences in clarity, tone quality, and overall sound as you listen.
Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Im lo aleh, im lo aleh, im lo aleh, im lo aleh. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Achenu ko beit Yisrael. Im lo aleh, im lo aleh, im lo aleh, im lo aleh. Excuse me, waiter. Is this cheese Chalav Yisrael? Let me ask. No.
Excuse me, waiter. Is this cheese Chalav Yisrael?
Let me ask. No.
Excuse me, waiter. Is this cheese Chalav Yisrael?
Let me ask. No.
Excuse me, waiter. Is this cheese Chalav Yisrael?
Let me ask. No.
Now let's head out to the garage to test a few other qualities of these 4 microphones. We'll look at handling noise, the amount of noise a microphone makes as it moves around in a singer's hand, and feedback rejection, the overall proximity of the microphone to a floor monitor before feedback occurs.
So here we are in the ShirSoulSound storage facility, aka Dave's garage.
We set up a monitor here on the floor. We got our same 4 mics hooked up to our PreSonus mixer and recording into our computer.
And now we'll demonstrate handling noise and feedback control for all 4 mics.
In the final analysis, we feel there are 6 factors that you should consider when deciding which mic is best for you. These factors are sound, build quality, handling noise, feedback rejection, look, and price. In this microphone shootout, we found each of these mics had a unique set of strengths and weaknesses. They all took effects well, but some shined above the rest in their respective areas of excellence.
Our top picks are the Shure SM58 and Beta 58. We found that they had a nice warm sound, they're both excellent at feedback rejection and handling noise, and they're built like a tank. It's no wonder that these are the go-to microphones for live vocal applications worldwide. And at $99 for the SM58 and $159 for the Beta 58, they're a great value for a truly professional sound.
For those who may just be starting out, the EV and Blue microphones represent a good value at a reasonable price. Of these 2 mics, we much preferred the EV, as it offered a crisp, high-end, polished sound, although it was fairly prone to handling noise and feedback. As for the Blue mic, we honestly don't recommend it, as it had the most muffled sound and the loudest and most distracting handling noise by far.
In our final summary, we ranked the 4 mics from 1 to 5 in each of our 6 categories. As you can see, the industry standard Shure SM58 represents the best overall value, with a total of 22 points. We feel the extra sparkle and better handling noise of the Beta 58 makes it a great value as well, but that comes with the disadvantage of being less resistant to feedback on stage. And for those on a budget, the EV mic fared surprisingly well in our tests.
We hope we've given you a good understanding of these 4 vocal microphones and how to choose the best one for you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a comment below, like our Facebook page, and subscribe to our new YouTube channel as well.
We're currently booking dates for live sound production through 2017, so give us a call for your next event. And stay tuned for more videos in the near future. Thanks for watching.